everybody, it's your girl Tiger here coming in at y'all today because somebody asked me, did I still have my babies, my other babies? Yes, I do. And Felix be keeping guard watch, sitting above them. But there, let me show y'all my babies. Hold on. Okay, so there is JoJo, and I had actually just changed their clothes the other day. Get back, Felix. I do not want you right now. I am trying to shoot a video. This is not about you. Go away. Go. Okay, so yeah. There is JoJo. Oh, look at them cute little foot. Look at them cute little foot. That gotta be Tatiana. Yeah, that's my Tatiana right here. Look at them cute little thighs. Look at them cute little thighs. What? Of course. And everything. You think it's all about you? You think it's all about you, Felix? Huh? You think it's all about you? But it's not. Even though you're my babe, you're still my babe. You're still my babe. But Peyton is my new babe now. Peyton is my new babe now. Y'all gotta quit being jealous and let me just spend my time with Peyton. Hey, baby. Peyton is gorgeous. Now y'all know that's my baby. And she just got her haircut today and she just looks absolutely adorable. Absolutely adorable. She's adorable. Adorable. That's right, Peyton. Give them them eyes. With them beautiful gray blue eyes. Right. A beautiful, shiny, curly. Picking the thighs, my baby. Look at you looking at me like you traitor. You traitor. How dare you, mother? She don't even like you do. Reborn. There's reborns. Ha 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 ha.